welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to spring clean with me. So once a year, I should say twice a year. So in spring, I feel like, and maybe fall. Not really sure, maybe it's winter. Who knows? But for springtime, I do like to clean everything deeply, like room by room, as well as I like to reorganize. I feel like if you have a clean, reorganized, fresh space without spending too much money, then your life is complete. I don't know, it gives me like a fresh mind. I can think more, I can have more creative ideas come to my head. So I just like a clean home, okay? And if you do, then keep on watching, come along with me. I will give you some tips on how you can reorganize and redecorate your kitchen with little to no cost, all right? So let's get started. So let's start with this messy drawer. I have no idea where anything is, so I'm gonna get rid of things that I don't need anymore and give it away to someone, throw it out, do something with it, and then reorganize. I have an electric one, don't need it. I have a thing that makes eggs. I don't need this either. I have two of these apple cutters, so throwing that out. Then I have so many wine openers. Like, why do you need so many? Do you open 5 bottles of wine at once? No, don't think so. Thank you. I don't really use a whisker. I don't know a whisker. A whisk. I use an electric one, so this is just whatever for me. I'll keep the little baby mini one just in case. I'm gonna take these out because I'm gonna put them somewhere else. So the things that I use a lot. Take this all out in general and we're going to organize it. So I'm gonna use a tray like this, putting it in. I got this from Marshall's. Let me flip this. We're gonna start organizing that way. So bigger things we can place here, smaller ones here. This is my favorite can opener. It literally does the job for you. All you gotta do is squeeze. Can never find a new one of that. Favorite peeler in the whole wide world. I'm just keeping 2, so you know John can help out, peeling potatoes or something. And that's it, you guys. So a lot more organized, even though it's not fully organized. I wish I could organize it by different things that they're used for, but here it is. So for these little guys that I use all the time, we're just going to hook it on. So it's a door hook. I'm gonna put it right here. Do it in a spot where you're not gonna hit anything because then it's not gonna work. And then 1 and 2, that's all. So now here is this mess. I decided to get new pots and pans. Not that anything was wrong with this. Tefal has been really good for us. We've had it for like 6 years, but time to just, you know, have new things. And you totally do not need to buy new pots and pans. Definitely wipe down before you place anything new. So you're gonna do this to all your drawers and cabinets in your kitchen. We're gonna use a dish rack. This is just from Marshall's TJ Maxx place. Put it in the middle and then place your pots. Just make sure they fit. By the way, I still have tags on just to make sure these pots work nicely. I think I'm gonna still reorganize this a little bit more. We'll go here. And I'm taking these little bowls and placing it here. Here, I'm just gonna throw out old cutting boards. I feel like they start smelling after a while, especially because we don't use our dishwasher, so sometimes we put them in wet and they just get all gross. So these are all bleh. I did get these nice ones from Marshall's. They're super thin, as well as they have like a textured side so it sticks nicely. And I'm gonna keep this here. So another thing I've been randomly trying to do is taking more stuff off the counter. So this is gonna go bye-bye. I'm gonna put it in that drawer. I'm also gonna get rid of ones that I'm not gonna use anymore. So these are garbage. So in this drawer I have a lot of sauces, vinegars, and things like that. Get rid of anything that's old, wipe down, and reorganize. Wow, this is super old. So these guys right here in this drawer, these are like my superfoods, like matcha, cacao powder, and things like that. I do want to put them here in this open space so I can see them easier. So that's what we're gonna do now. This cabinet to me is a hot mess, so I'm putting those water bottles and putting them here. So I cleared this out. The mason jars were here on top, and then I put the peanut butter and everything on top instead, so switched it. So this is our little pantry here. We don't have a walk-in pantry, which I wish we did, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go through this and kind of reorganize it because I just started throwing things in there, but I do have these Systema Baked storage things. I wanted them to all be the same, and they're honestly not as expensive as other storage things, and they work great for me, so it's what I use. So it's a good idea to refill these things as well. Black beans used to be in here, and I have this bag that I buy in bulk, so just refilling it. Okay, so this is what we got here. That's just my bulk stuff like nuts and superfoods, croutons, pastas, things like that. Pastas we don't eat often, so they're in the back, but croutons, John loves them in a salad. Then this is just breakfast stuff. So this is gonna be pancake mix, oat bran, cereal, oatmeal in the back, little packets of oatmeal. Of course, my little Fruity Pebbles left over. And then over here we have baking stuff, so coconut sugar, regular sugar, white flour, and then I have dates and figs there. In this section, it's pretty much all nuts. The only thing here is my protein powder. I just want to kind of get rid of it and put something else in there. And then we have beans, rice, pasta, and everything in this drawer. When you're cleaning and your child is caught red-handed doing something bad, show them your mouth. Look at this. He ate from the garbage. I have no idea what. You are a disaster. You definitely want to clean out your garbage and recyclables because they do get nasty quite often. So pop it in the shower and give it a good wash. We're also gonna clean around here because, you know, sometimes things drip and stay there. Another thing that I didn't show you guys, clean your microwave inside all over. You can also clean the inside of your oven. Lastly, you can clean this dishwasher area because we don't use this dishwasher as an actual dishwasher. I usually scrub this down with some baking soda and white vinegar and kind of let it sit there and then scrub away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned some new tips or just liked watching me clean my kitchen. It did take a good amount of time, and it will, because there's a lot to do going in and out of the drawers and cabinets and reorganizing things and filling up things from your pantry that you need to stock up on, or maybe writing those things down. So you clean your kitchen as normal, but like super extra, okay? And there are certain things that you should do on a daily basis to maintain the cleanliness of your kitchen, like the countertops, your sink. I do wipe down my cabinets a lot because they're white and they do, I guess, attract dust in those little like edges and things like that. But that's what it's like having a white kitchen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Bye. Have an awesome day.